we built a Canvas Power App. And if you remember the Champion overlay or the Pride overlay, if you've used that Power App before, our idea was to build upon that, right? So if you've used it before, you know that the users have to take a screenshot and then re-upload it. And it's really clunky. It's really clunky, and each time that you go to use it, you have to kind of go back into the app and add a new overlay for whatever theme you might want. That's what we did for Pride Month last year using the Champions badge. So that was our initial idea. We had this grandiose, okay, we're going to do that. And then we had envisions of tracking usage and surfacing up like most popular overlays that you could use. And then we had a V3 of like having a chat bot, right, who would nudge users during March month, Women's History Month, to say, hey, we would suggest using a Women's History Month overlay for your app. So those were the kind of the larger vision and V2, V3 stages. But we had to kind of drill down to what we could get done today. So we were able to build a Power App, and it's in Brian's tenant, so I don't have access to it. But I do have the picture that he quickly sent me. So let me share my screen. Okay. So this is the app in his demo tenant, and we can create a video if we need, but you can kind of see how we built it out. But essentially, this is the homepage. This drop down, you could choose different topics. So like by specialty, holiday, whatever it might be. And while I'm here, I might add that the value of the app is really to create morale, right? And to get users kind of excited about different times of the month. And then there's also role bases, right? So you can see down here, we have different medical logos. You can see all my pictures down here too. But anywho, so that it would also identify you by role. So if you're a doctor or an RN, you might have a champion badge, if you will, as for a doctor or an RN, but you could also have a frame for the different time of the season it might be. So that's kind of another version. And then once you click through to this, all you have to do is click upload profile picture and it will upload. So it's not having to take an extra screenshot, etc.